Hi, Miss Krebs. I'm going to be your third grade teacher this year, and I'm super excited. I'm super excited to be back in the classroom and to work with you and your parents. I was born here in Big Rapids, and then I went to Western Michigan University to get my teaching degree, and then I moved out to Los Angeles and taught for 11 years in South Central LA, and now I'm back, and I've been at Riverview ever since. So 2 things that you should know about third grade with me. Number 1 is that this year is the year you guys take on more responsibility of your own learning. Number 2, I'm super easy to talk to. So if you have any questions or concerns, just please don't hesitate to come to me. For your beginning of the year supplies, I brought out a couple of examples. If you could come with either a pencil box or a pencil pouch, that would be great. And inside, if you could have 2 mechanical pencils. You don't need a whole pack in there to begin with, guys, but 2 mechanical pencils, a red pen, a pack of pencils. For coloring purposes, if you could come with the Easy Peel crayon pencils or the 8-pack of Crayola markers, that would be awesome. 1 spiral notebook, and preferably a large whiteboard that will be yours and yours only with your name on the back. Now, if you can't get the large whiteboard, that's totally fine. A small whiteboard will do as well. I love science, I love reading, I love math, I love all of it. And hopefully we will have a fabulous year. And if you have any questions, please email me at hkrebs@brps.org. And I'll be seeing you guys real soon. Bye!